Year card to next franchises selected tram. What when you need someone to be there for you? Be right there by your sides always. When I looked at my past, say something missing, and then reason it was so bad. You are my present. I look at my future and how complete it is. One day it finally came true. The special someone that I loved me too, and that special someone was you. Life has never been better. Thank you to you, sweetheart, to the love of my life. I wish you have the best out of today, professionally, in all you said. You are hurt to stay great and lovely for my dear. I love you are sometimes. I wonder if love is warmth fitting for then I look at you. I am ready for war as long as there is me. You are hurt. I will be the best it can every be to, to keep. You are hurt, unbroken, a promise I am willing to keep. I love you dropped to a tear in the icon died the dad. I find it the day I will stop loving you in Dubai, golden light where the deserve meets the Ramzan. Whisper swiftly a secret melody, the call to prayer echo. There is air so pure, a city of dream where heart endure the skies blush with sunset a far. So dive in as lanternacing glows softly in perfect distance. The crescenting moon races like silver on silk, a symbol of hope, of faith, and milk the straight. Him with kindnessing in each thought, glance a city that dances in Ramzan trends, the fountains are glowing, the flames softly way as love fills, as the air in twilight of day, in every warm greeting, each heartfelt prayer. Dubai beautiful is found in the silence we share, the spirit of Ramzan. Superior Superant, it left hours in the city under a star in the night. With you by my side in this place of delight, we celebrate love in the sweet of Ramzan light. Being in love with you, you is the best feeling now. No one is perfect, but you are pretty close. I hope to spend all my tomorrow chasing you are perfect. Smile, just one message from you is enough to brighten my whole day. All you have to do is show up to make a day so much better. Good night, my love. Wishing you the promise to be there when you need a mate to fill your days with sunshine to comfort you and encouraging you to help my reach you goals to hold up you when you need to. It must and to always love you. Days or urgent just word they are communicating to love we share. I am here for you in the big moment and smile one always ready to offer you my life and supporting every morning. I wake up and think of you, and every night I got to sleep with you in my life heart. You are the rhythm of day, the melody that soothes me, a harmony that balances my life. Sweetest dreams as you draft off to sleep. You and I care or the same kind of strength from the moment we meet. Now you would be mine and I would be yours for the rest of our days. I wish I could find this caring, loving, beautiful, and kind hearted woman I would spend the rest of my life with together within this beautiful city of Dubai. Lovely, cute son Rashid, and also will love together with her in my beautiful home, and my both can make a better family. Also together we can be explaining to everyone there, but seems I am not warmth or do not love anyone. I am always thinking of you, counting the moment united we are together again. Thinking about you is like watching a racing move never gets old.